Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at Guest Elementary School in Walled Lake, Michigan, home of the Wildcats. And great day. Got to speak to all the grades again, have lunch with all of them, and they touched my heart as always. The focus today was on diversity, our differences. It doesn't matter if we're different on the outside or the languages that we speak or where we're from, our culture, how we're born, that all of that should be accepted. We should be able to include everybody and still show that kindness, that human kindness that this world totally needs. So I'm outside of one of their bulletin boards. This quotes throughout my presentation today. In a world where you can be anything, be kind, right? And like the shirt that I wear for this assembly says, need human kindness. We have the peace sign inside of the heart. That's where peace has to begin and where kindness has to start. And it's up to us to let that light shine, to go out and choose that love, choose that compassion, choose that respect, right? Not just for ourselves, but to take it up a notch and now go out into this world, start to heal this planet, one act of kindness at a time. So it's such a great concept to reinforce as well throughout this presentation was the need for unconditional love. That no matter if someone's taller or shorter, wider, thinner, wears glasses or doesn't, is in a wheelchair or not, different skin color, we still show that love without any conditions, that we respect everyone, and that this kindness is so vital because it's not just the person that we're showing the kindness to, it could also affect someone's heart that sees that positive action or hears that word of encouragement, right, that it could maybe change their heart for the better. Why we have to be all in for this earth and that this planet totally needs us. And throughout these hallways, there's so many different peace posters and bulletin boards, and it's just ringing true at this school. I mean, it's beautiful, even with their dog Champ that I got to meet today. It was awesome because dogs, that's what they show, unconditional love. And they accept everyone and they see people for their heart first. And that's what we're trying to do here, right? And to teach people at a young age and see the emotion that a lot of them had, and to remember we're all true miracles, the M on all of our palms, right? M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. It's a reminder that we always think positive no matter what, and that we think positive about ourselves and our worth, to know that we are worthy of love and that we can go out and now share that worth with others, help them see that they're miracles, know that we deserve that love and peace. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the video here. Hit the notification bell to get future updates like videos just like this one. Check out the amazing playlist above for some great clips, and my website too to see what we're doing as we spread peace and kindness all across this nation, healing America's heart one school at a time. Much love, peace.